Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. आज हम देखें हम मोस्ट यूजफुल इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस एंड फ्रेजेस गाइस जोटा कि तुमने जो डेली लाइफ रे यूज करि परिबे. So the first one is मु किछि जाने नाही. मु किछि जाने नाही. I don't know anything or I know nothing. I don't know anything और आपण एंती कहि परिबे I know nothing. कोन भाबुछ? कोन भाबुछ? What you are thinking? What you are thinking? What you are thinking guys. से तुम भाई की से तुम भाई की Is it your brother? Is it your brother? ଏସବୁ କର ନାହିଁ. ଏସବୁ କର ନାହିଁ. Don't do all this. Don't do all this. ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର. ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର. Try to understand. Try to understand. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯିବି. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଭୁଲି ଯିବି. I will forget you. I will forget you. ଏମିତି କହିପାରିବେ guys. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ବୁଝୁନ. ତୁମେ ମୋତେ ବୁଝୁନ. You don't understand me. You don't understand me. ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର. ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କର. Try to understand him. Try to understand him. ହଁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଲି. ହଁ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିଲି. Yeah I understood. Yeah I understood. ଭାଇ ଏମିତି କହିପାରିବ. Yes I understood ବି କହିପାରିବ guys. And the last one guys. ମୁଁ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁ ନାହିଁ. ମୁଁ କିଛି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁ ନାହିଁ. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear anything. So these are the most useful sentences guys जोटा आपण निज डेली लाइफ रे यूज करि परिबे निज स्पोकन इंग्लिश को बेटर करिया फाइन गाइस निज कन्वर्सेशन रे भी आपण ये सब यूज करि परिबे. Thank you for watching this video guys, and if you really like the video then please do subscribe my channel guys for more videos like this. Thank you.